In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export GA4 data to Power BI with Supermetrics. We'll walk through the exact flow you need in the Supermetrics hub to pull data from Google Analytics 4 and prepare it for Power BI. By the end, you'll have a saved query that reflects the metrics and dimensions you care about, ready to use in your reports. Start by heading to the Supermetrics hub in your browser and signing in. If you're new to Supermetrics, you can create an account in a moment. Log in using your Google or Microsoft account, so everything stays secure and linked to your workspace. Before you proceed, make sure you have access to the GA4 property you plan to use. You'll need the right permissions on the Google account you authenticate with. Once you're in the hub, select Power BI as your destination. You can find it under Destinations or in the Power BI section. Choosing the destination up front helps Supermetrics format the query output in a way that plays nicely with your reporting workflow. Now create a new query. Click the Create New Query button to open the Query Builder. For your data source, select Google Analytics 4. At this point, you'll be prompted to authenticate with your Google account. Use the account that actually has access to the GA4 property you want. If you manage multiple accounts, double-check you're picking the correct one during the authentication flow. With the connection set, pick the GA4 property you want to analyze. Then choose your date range. For quick checks, a recent period like the last 28 days can be helpful. For trend analysis, extend it as needed. Next, select your metrics, the numeric values you want to analyze, such as users, sessions, and conversions. Then choose your dimensions, which are the attributes you'll use to break down those numbers, like date or country. A good practice is to start simple, confirm that the combination of metrics and dimensions makes sense, and only then add more fields. Use the preview feature to validate your setup. This lets you confirm that the numbers look reasonable, the fields are returning data, and the breakdowns line up with what you expect from GA4. If something seems off, adjust your date range, swap a dimension, or remove a field that isn't compatible. When you're satisfied, save the query with a clear, recognizable name, including the property and date logic if helpful. That's it. Your GA4 to Power BI query is ready to use and easy to find for future reporting.